Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can check your wallet risk rating for the ZkSync era airdrop. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. Now to be eligible for the ZkSync era airdrop, your wallet risk rating should be as low as possible. And I will exactly go ahead and show you how you can check all the details with regards to your wallet. Now, before we move on to the wallet risk rating, uh, if you are new to cryptocurrency and if you don't have an account on Bybit, you can use my sign up referral link in the description to buy coins and tokens. And also, you will be getting the highest tier of rewards, which is $30,000. Or also, you can use my referral code as crypto505. Now, let's go to wallet risk rating. Now the first thing you must be aware of that it's a bit important to get this Gitcoin passport score of 20 in order to avoid the Sibyl. Although this is not 100% guaranteed, but I think this should play an important role in order to be eligible for the ZkSync era airdrop and some other airdrops maybe in the future. Now for this video purpose we'll be selecting any random wallet. So all I'm doing is basically I am on explorer.zkSync.io and let me click on this transaction hash over here and I will select this wallet and I will check the risk rating for this wallet. So I've already copied this. Now in order to check the rating, all you have to do is you will need to go to scope scan over here. And in the network you need to select ZkSync era network. Now simply paste this address and click on enter and I will click on search. Now as you can see it's giving me the wallet overview over here. So the total balance for this wallet is like $29 and it's been active from this is November of last year 2023. And you just have to go over here and check for this anti-money laundering risk score. So as you can see this wallet is a low risk wallet. So if there are a lot of transactions, as you can see this guy has done like around 140 interactions on the ZkSync era network. Now let me go ahead and show you some other wallet as well. Now for example I will show you this wallet. Let's try this and I will go ahead and search, and so this is also low risk. Now there was one wallet with high risk. I'm not sure where was it. So basically all this low risk wallet and the number of interactions and the number of bridges and maybe Gitcoin passport score of 20 might help you get the ZKS airdrop. And there are a lot of details, like if you go for the pro version you will be getting all the details with regards to a token sent, token received, and you can also try this scope scan for free. So they have this 15 days free version, and there are a lot of things like there is address entity graph, entity analysis. So basically this is very important. This should be as low as possible. So this wallet has a very low risk as you can see, and the number of contract interactions are also decent. So this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.